Hey, Adam here with a simple and fast review of the Snailax Foot Massager with heat. We're going to open it up, show you what it looks like, test it out, and of course let you know whether or not it's worth buying. Alright, so as we get it out of the box, it's going to be pretty simple to explain this, and then we'll test it out. Instruction manual and power cord comes in one of these. Pretty deep in here. You'll have a release at the back to put the power in. Also note that this will all come out. It's got a zipper. For some reason it lost its little piece there, but you can just unzip this, I'm sure, as part of the process. Little feet on the bottom. You'll have your power. You have a timer, kind of vibration and heat and all that stuff. We're going to go ahead and get this on. These little socks will come out and be washable. You just, again, need to kind of unzip this. Sorry. You'll just have to unzip this at the bottom, and we'll go ahead, plug it in, and test it out. Okay, so to turn it on, you're just going to press that button. Feet fit really nice. I think you can. I mean, I'm size 11, and there's still plenty of space in there. So once you turn it on, it already starts. Again, we'll cycle through 15 minutes, 20, 30. Different levels of intensity and vibration, and then of course heat. So this will turn off the massaging feature. So once you turn that on, you can kind of go through and set yourself up. So, sorry, this is actually just going to be like one of these squeezes on your feet as part of the massage. It'll tighten up, just to clarify. And this will be more of the Shiatsu speed. It does get pretty tight. Squeezing them pretty good, but wow, it feels amazing. And then eventually it will start to release, and you'll probably hear an air kind of release. There it is. And you may want to move your feet around depending on kind of what you're looking to get worked on, but it's going on the whole foot, at the top, the balls of the feet, you know, the arch, all that stuff is being worked on. And just really feels great. So I'm going to do a couple more minutes of this and come back and finish. All right, so I just did about 15 minutes, and it will auto turn off. But most importantly, like when you turn it on, you have to have a timer going. So that's just something to consider. Something to consider as far as the Shiatsu massaging, it will kind of go in different directions. After like a minute or so, it'll kind of be going one direction, and then it'll stop and start to go the other direction for you, which is really, really nice. And for the compression, I actually needed to turn it down a little bit because it got so tight, and it holds it there for a long period of time in the high level that it just kind of felt like it was cutting off circulation for me. But I'm sure it wasn't. I mean, I know that it wasn't, but it just kind of felt like that. And so to me, that wasn't as relaxing. So I turned it down to medium. But I love the heat. And so overall, this thing is awesome. Very comfortable. Again, using it 15 to 20, 30-minute bursts throughout your day can be very, very relaxing and feels great. So definitely worth buying. Hopefully this review helped you, and thanks for watching.